India is blamed for creating the mess in Balochistan. The evidence is available and will be produced at the appropriate time and proper forum. These claims were made by Prime Minister GILLANI and his ministers during a joint session of Parliament held to debate the Balochistan package. Whereas the Indian government denies these allegations, Pakistan insists the available evidence is irrefutable.
I read the statement of many US government officials by saying that they will talk to Indians about their involvement in Pakistan. But at the same time, when you say about evidence, that is the prerogative of the government of Pakistan and the intelligence agencies and the military, where and when they want to share this information, these evidence.
If Indian involvement in the conflict is proven, how will the international community react? And is there basis for internationalization under the 1949 Geneva Conventions?
It has to be a conflict between more than one state, okay, 2 or more states. Or alternatively, if there is heavy influence of another state inside the internal conflict, but that would mean financing the conflict, training the militants, planning and organizing the activities, and having an effective overall control over the operation, then it could constitute an international conflict. In the absence of that, then it's not.
Pakistani authorities allege the Balochistan Liberation Army and other such outfits for links with the Indian intelligence agencies. They claim the militants are trained in Afghanistan through the Indian consulates. But even this situation may not force Pakistan to allow the conflict to become internationalized.
There's no international legal jurisdiction that denies national sovereignty. At the end of the day, everything that happens in Pakistan, Pakistan is a sovereign nation. Pakistan decides how it manages its operations. There are international legal precedents that define conflict situations, and according to those, we have certain criteria for deciding when a conflict is internationalized. So one of the most famous cases, the Tajik case, it says that if there is another state that is involved in the planning of the operations, financing and organizing, then we can declare the conflict internationalized.
Some hawks in Pakistan claim that the mention of Balochistan in the joint statement issued by Prime Minister GILLANI and Singh at the Sharm el-Sheikh meeting between the two leaders in Egypt internationalized the issue. In a separate statement later, the Indian Prime Minister said he was even willing to discuss Balochistan further. But the uproar back home led Singh to backtrack. Meanwhile, Baloch nationalist leaders have called the Balochistan package inadequate. They claim one single package cannot address their long-standing grievances. Some hardliners even talk about disintegration if improvements are not made. This national monument is a symbol of federation of Pakistan. Many people are of the opinion that situation in Balochistan is a threat to the federation. Some even equate Balochistan with East Pakistan that was dismembered in 1971. Another tough challenge for the Pakistan People's Party. Shahzad Raza, DawnNews, Islamabad.